Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay on Fashion Nova. So in order to use Afterpay on Fashion Nova, all you have to do is simply go to Fashion Nova site and then go to any item that you wish to purchase. So just add it to your cart and then proceed with the checkout. So like how we normally do our normal online shopping. So just do that. So just simply do that. Same process. So when you get to this site, just choose any item that you wish to buy. So just choose that and then add it to your cart and then proceed to the checkout. So now when you get to the checkout here, this is where like we need to do something. So here, so when you get to the checkout session here, so you will see you can provide your contact details. That's fine. Or if you have already have an account with Fashion Nova, just log into that account. That's fine. And then once you're done with those bit, then under shipping address, just provide your usual shipping address, whatever that you wish to ship it to. Just add that. So once you're done with that, then hit on continue to delivery. So when you hit on continue to delivery, next we're going to go and select the delivery method. So here, just choose the delivery method and then it's fine, and then hit on continue to payment. So now here, when we get to payment method here, okay, so when you get to payment method here, so here under payment method, you'll see all the available payment methods. So if you want to use Afterpay, you simply just have to select Afterpay. That's it. So you just have to select this, and then what you have to do is hit on pay now. And then once you hit on pay now, this will be redirected to your Afterpay page, and then you just have to complete the uh, uh, process in that. So just complete your purchase with that. So in that way you will be able to use Afterpay through on Fashion Nova. So all you have to do is just select Afterpay on the payment method when you check out. So that's it. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.